Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your love and romance forecast for Capricorns for the year 2022. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn, this reading is for you. If you know a Capricorn, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Winds Tarot. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. And friends, you can buy your own 2022 readings or any other 6 monthly or any other readings and charms reading, personal charms reading also by visiting our website. Make sure this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, and it is also timeless. It will resonate with you throughout the year. So, Capricorns, let us see what is going to happen for your love life. I'm super excited. And you can also watch the yearly general readings, general horoscope readings, the general yearly pick a card readings for 2022. I have already done them, so make sure to check that out, Capricorns. Let's see your theme of the year for you, Capricorns. Let me just shuffle a little bit because the cards are really clumping a bit. So let's see, theme of the year for Capricorns, love theme for Capricorns for 2022. Love themes for Capricorn for the year 2022. Love theme for Capricorns, love theme for Capricorns. All right, let's see, we have already. Okay, so, oh my god, the moon, the eight of swords, and the page of wands. Definitely, Capricorns, this is the year you are moving out of restrictions, out of blocks, out of challenges, out of problems, out of troubles. Whatever was impossible up till now in your love life, Capricorns, is going to happen this year. This is your year for emotional fulfillment. This is your year of romance coming true, coming close to your heart and blessing you. Also, Capricorn, this is your year of deep love, deep affection, and deep soulmate relationships. I do feel excitement is coming in your love life. Also, you will have new opportunities. You will also have new relationships or new insights about your love life. So, Capricorns, this is a very emotional year. This is also the year where you are stepping out of your comfort zone or stepping out of the old and moving towards new clarity, new love, new unions, or a destined soulmate connection. And I see excitement. There is a lot of, you're excited throughout the year about your, oh my god, oh my god, Capricorns. I don't know which one to take. I'm gonna take these two because I feel they are important. Ten of Pentacles, yes, family is really important. Family will be affecting your love life. Also, some of you could be actually getting arranged marriages or meeting somebody who is like a family member, or meeting a lover through your family. So, congratulations. And Ace of Wands, excitement is coming for you, Capricorns. Wow, yay. A lot of excitement is coming for you. A lot of love is coming for you. I do see some of you getting married, some of you actually moving in together. If not, some of you are meeting the love of your life, the twin flame of your life, the soulmate. Also, some of you are moving out of challenges in your love life. You had a lot of challenges in the past. You're moving out of that into a new start, new dawn. This is powerful, Capricorn. This is like ultimate fulfillment of love, ultimate love coming your way. This is beautiful. Let's see how your love life will be, Capricorns. Capricorns, their love life. Okay. Oops, sorry. Sorry about that. These cards have a lot of energy, they are just bubbling with energy. Sometimes I find it a little hard to. Ooh. Okay. You are dealing with a twin flame. You are dealing, Capricorns, with a twin flame. And you could also be dealing with third parties, or you're finding some resolutions in that area. Let's see, Capricorns. All right, the Ten of Swords. You start the year feeling a lot of pressure. You are definitely feeling the pressure. Maybe, some of you are under a pressure to get married. You are single. There is a lot of pressure to find a relationship, get married, settle down. I also feel some of you Capricorns are focusing on your finances, and or you're taking care of your family, so that is adding on to your love life. It's a pressure on your love life. But remember, Queen of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. I feel Capricorns, at the start of the year, you are going to find relief from the past challenges, burdens in your love life, challenges in your love life. They are going to end. You are going to find clarity. If there was a no contact situation, you are going to find messages. If you are single, love is online, love is on social media. The star, yes, I do feel there is a deep connection waiting for you, Capricorns. There is a very starting of the year is very good for you, Capricorns, because there is a lot of divine messages coming your way through dreams, through messages, through signs. So make sure to keep a note of your dreams. You have a lot, someone could be communicating to you through your dreams. Also, some of you are ready for something deeper in your life, something more meaningful in your life. So let's see what else will happen. Three of Swords. Yes, I do feel that in 2022 you will be facing some sort of a hurt or pain, or you are recovering from some sort of a heartache, Capricorns. The Three of Wands. Yeah, the more you focus on the future, the better your love life will be this year. And the Emperor. Yes, I do feel there is a person, Capricorn, who is very arrogant, who is very fixed. It could be like a lover or their family, their parents, or your parents, which are acting as a way, in a way to cause you hurt and pain. But don't let it affect you. Your future is really bright, so the past will not affect you a lot. People who are against you will not be very powerful. So focus on your future and keep moving forward in your love life. I also feel the mid of the year is very important for you because you have the justice. So this mid of the year is the chance, Capricorns, for you to get married, settle down some legal issues. If you are both married, some of you may actually get married to your own partner, the love of your life. Third parties will dissolve. Empress, yes, this is definitely a high time of marriages for you. I do feel some of you could actually be getting married this year, mid of the year, and also you could be meeting the love of your life. Also, you could be meeting someone that your parents really, really like, or your mother is very fond of. So, yes, something about your mother is important. If you are expecting a child, this could be a great time, the mid of the year. Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. I see your love life going very well in the mid of the year. Things becoming more romantic, more emotional, more fluid, and softer. Let's see the end of the year. Oh wow, definitely Eight of Wands. A lot of communications are coming at the end of year. Lots of plans, lots of preparations are happening. You are definitely, preparing, planning, taking action for your love life. Five of Cups. Somebody from the past is missing you. And I do feel, even though, someone, a crush may return back, someone from the past may message you, or some past issues will be resolved by the end of this month, or the end of this year. Four of Wands, yes, there is a high chance of you getting married by the mid or the end of this year. Some of you could also be buying a home together, moving in together, or some of you could actually be meeting the soulmate because your parents, your guides are guiding them to you. Wow, Capricorns, this is a powerful union. This is a powerful time of breakthroughs in love. This is a powerful year for you, Capricorns. Yes, I do see you getting married or moving in, or, even if you were going through, your partner was in third party, they will find the resolution for that, dissolving the third party, moving towards you. So what you need to keep in mind, Capricorns, this is a new start for you, Capricorns, a very, very strong new start. Third eye chakra, yes. Listen to the divine signs, keep an eye on them. Someone is communicating to you through union, through dreams, divine signs, divine union. There could be a twin flame coming towards you. Release, forgive and forget. You need to forget the past, step out of it, step outside of your comfort zone. Just breathe. Yes, you are on the right path, Capricorn. You are on the road towards meeting your lover, getting married, settling down, having kids with them, having a house with them. Some of you are going to buy property with your partner or lover. You could meet them at work. So your partner is a mirror for you, and remember to relax in your love life because all is happening as it needs to happen. Success, yes, you will be successful. There is no doubt about it. Let's see what is the advice, and then we're gonna see your charms, Capricorn. Advice. Holy love. Oh my God. Yes, you are attracting a very, very powerful connection. This is destined. This is divine. If you are asking about a soulmate connection, yes, this is the one. Romantic connections and romance, yes. Love in a very, very pure and significant way is coming for you, Capricorns. You need to keep your heart open. You need to follow the signs. If you are single, you definitely need to step outside, forget the past, focus on the new. Otherwise, you will miss this, Capricorn. You will miss this holy love. You will miss this person who is meant for you, who is coming for you. If you keep focusing on the past, you're gonna miss the north. Don't do that. Let's see your charms now, Capricorns. I hope you can see the... Yep, I think you can. Charms for Capricorn for the year 2022. Alright, let's see. So we have a bead that just went out. This is the bead of, success. This is the bead of love coming your way. I'm gonna keep it here for now. Let's see, because it fell down from here only. There is D, there is S. So I have the 12 months and the astrological houses here. So we'll see when this is also in both August. Let's see. So in the month of January, somebody named with the initial N is important. In February, there are parties. I see you going out, having fun, going on dates, getting ready, getting attractive. Self-love is high, Capricorns. This is about love, a fulfilling love relationship or a fertile relationship. This is like an egg also, fertile relationship. In February, in March, somebody named with O is important. Number 1 is important. Someone with the life path number 1 is important. In the month of May, somebody named with D is important. In June, let's see what is going on in June. So in June, you may meet somebody who is your twin flame, who is born in August, or something related with August is important in June. Y and S are the initials. There is the tortoise, so go slow. There is this growth charm. There is a lot of potential in your relationships of growth. Number 4 is important. In July, twin flame again. Wow, your relationships, you are attracting a twin flame, Capricorns, or you are reuniting with them. Letter O is important. In August, you are finding the key, the solutions to your problem. Attachment, someone is very close to you. In October, there is the letter V important, and in December, the number 3 is important. Wow, this is a beautiful year for you, Capricorns. It is definitely the year or union of love for you. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wands Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. And this is Mystic C saying bye-bye.